Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our session. All Flash Data Center builds a green, reliable, intelligent data highway. Global digital transformation has moved from pilot innovation to multiplication innovation. The transformation and innovation of data centers is inevitable as we move into a future-ready intelligent age. Huawei is redefining the all-flash data center with its all-scenario flash full-series high-end storage and all-IP data center network. These solutions are designed to help you build a green, reliable, and intelligent data center and accelerate digital transformation. In this forum, you will learn 5 future trends for the digital transformation of enterprise data centers and Huawei's all-flash data centers and their industry application. First, I'm glad to invite Michael Fan to share his topic, All-Flash Data Center Solution and New Solution Launch.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Michael Fan. Thanks for joining me. Within the next 5 to 10 years, digital applications will improve greatly. The data capacity will increase from 32 zettabyte to 180 zettabyte by 2025. Take Huawei for example. We have 10 petabyte transaction data and 40 petabyte analytical data. It is still increasing 1 petabyte every month. For auto-driving scenario, the daily data generation per car is 64 terabytes, which is huge. In agriculture age, the land and labor force is a key production tool. Industry age, the capital and technology are the key. In the digital age, we believe the data will be the key factor. Modern data centers are facing big challenges. First, high service volume. In the Chinese Black Friday, the transaction per second is increased from 3,000 to 30,000, 10 times more workload than normal. Power consumption is another one. 42% of the ICT power consumption are from the data centers. It is still keep increasing. It pushed the operation cost high and generates a lot of CO2. Third one is loss caused by the downtime. You can see from different industries, the loss of money per hour rate is astonishing. The fourth one is complex operation and maintenance. How to handle these challenges? What we propose is to build an all-flash data center for green and reliable data highways. It is not only upgrade the data media, but also to consolidate data centers to reform the DC architectures to face the future diversified applications. In this transformation, it includes the all-flash scenario upgrade from primary storage to data protection. It includes network all-IP consolidation from fiber channel to all-IP-based network. It also includes lifecycle management with intelligent capabilities like intelligent predictions, automation, and optimization. This will help the data center to be greener, more reliable, and more efficiency. All scenario flash media have 2 meanings. The first is diversified types of data are stored in a storage pool, including core data, HPC data, video, and disaster recovery data. The second is that HDDs can be replaced by SSDs. All scenario flash drives 2 benefits: cost reduction and green efficiency. Take Brazil Top Bank for example. With the DC consolidation to an all-flash DC, the data was consolidated from 10 IT cabinets to 4. It helps to reduce 2/3 of the power consumption, while the performance is increased 150%. As data increases, data protection also becomes more critical. More types of data need to be protected. Faster disaster recovery, higher use frequency of copies, and longer retention are in high demand. The data DR levels need to be improved from local active-passive redundancy to remote 3DC, and then to the cloud DR. Backup storage need to be more like production tier, and all-flash ratio needs to rise. The backup data must be available immediately rather than waiting for a long time to restore. All IP is also a strong trend in the modularized data center. We can see in traditional data centers that you need IP, FC, and InfiniBand networks. This increases a lot of maintenance complexity, but traditional IP network is difficult to handle the low latency storage network. Thanks to the latest NORF technology, the all IP network become possible. It provides end-to-end low latency IP network to unlock the all-flash potential. For daily operation and maintenance of the data center, Huawei believes the intelligent management platform will make the job easier. From auto planning, deployment, operation and maintenance to the auto optimization. For example, for the deployment, the new service needs to be online faster than ever. The requirement time of auto deployment of a new service is from several months now to few weeks. That needs more intelligent and automated deployment. Next, I would like to introduce Huawei all-flash data center solution. It will bring to all industries with fast, green, reliable, and intelligent. The solution includes Ocean Store all-flash storage, Ocean Protect data protection, NVMe over ROCking network, the DME full lifecycle intelligent O&M. Let me introduce you the details in the coming pages. Huawei Ocean Store Dorado has benchmarking performance and reliability. It has 21 million IOPS and 50 microseconds latency. It supports smart matrix architecture that can tolerate 7 out of 8 controller failures without service interruption. Even the SSD drives has 10 times lower failure rate than HDD. With these advanced technologies, we help finance customers achieve 100K online transaction per second. We also help railway system to handle 3 billion people's travel booking. We help tax offices to solve millions of tax record inquiries and ensure 24/7 service online. For example, the Chinese customs are using Huawei system to make the 24/7 online tax system with zero downtime in the past 5 years. I would like also to share a customer story from the largest commercial bank in Saudi Arabia, Riyad Bank. Let's welcome.
Riyad Bank is one of the largest banks in Saudi Arabia that was established in 1957 with a paid capital of 30 billion Saudi riyals, with a staff of about 6,000 employees, with a 94% Saudized. We have a network of branches that ranges to about more than 300 branches. We have about 54,000 points of sales, including our plus 2,600 ATMs that is distributed all over the kingdom, plus 3 branches, one in London, one in Houston, and one in Singapore to support the international customers.
We play a leading role in various areas of finance and investment around Saudi Arabia. That is why we are distinguished as a leading financer and a ranger of syndicate loans in oil and petrochemicals and many of the kingdom's projects. We offer very innovative and remarkable financing solutions. We are proud in Riyad Bank that we are one of the pioneers in digital transformation strategies that was set and executed. One of our main pillars is to improve our digitization and automation and automating the services and procedures We believe that the future is built on digitization and automation of services, and that was proved during the lockdown, during the COVID, where we relied on our offered online services. According to the set transformation and main priority in our core business, and in order to convert the digital transformation to reality, we started applying digitization and automating in the most of our products and services. Part of our bank strategy, transformation strategy, is providing very innovative packages, unique digital services at the local and regional levels. Riyad Bank is the first bank in Saudi Arabia that owns venture capital directed to invest fintech, which aims to create innovative business and industries in the vital sector. We have started our partnership with Huawei in an initiative that started 2019, around the end of 2019. Huawei was chosen to deploy very demanding proof of concept during the phase branch network modernization. Branches are the places where we are the closest to our customers, and that is very sensitive, and we need something to be robust and one of the best that is going to offer the services. We're aiming to build a new generation of more stable and purely open network architecture to provide better services to our customers. At the branch sites, we have a variety of terminals connected to legacy systems in order to comply with the business continuity and central bank regulations. The proof of concept was followed by the full deployment to the remaining branches. That exercise was demonstrated during the pandemic lockdown 2020, which shows that Huawei engineers and dedication and commitment to deliver such sensitive project to our branches has added or we reached the ultimate value out of this engagement. The engagement with Huawei has also evolved to more demanding and more sensitive area, which is the storage. And we have a major enterprise storage refresh, which includes the mainframe by IBM product and the open system that comes from Huawei storage. The added value and the deployment and the smoothness that we have experienced during the rollout of the Huawei storage is more than acceptable to the bank. Actually, it has added more value. Huawei storage that was added to our open banking has improved tremendously our daily processing and online processing as well, which has contributed to providing better services to our customers and better services to our internal customers and the regulatory by providing state-of-the-art solution that came from Huawei. The second major project that complement Riyad Bank private cloud and digitization strategy was to provide the tech refresh to our storage for our open system. That has provided a very smooth migration and provided as well a best performance that has enabled the bank to achieve a major goal. With such professionalism that came from Huawei engineers, that wish became very true, and we are so pleased and happy for such an achievement.
Today, SSDs are gradually replacing HDDs. SSDs deliver 40 times higher performance than HDD. However, the maximum network bandwidth of traditional fiber channel is only 32 gigabits. This fails to keep up with the pace of storage network deployment. An IP network now can provide up to 400G bandwidth, 10 times that of an FC network. However, the IP network often encounters packet loss. When SSDs are used in the IP network, the storage IOPS increases and the network pressure grows. This will cause higher packet loss and longer network latency. To address this issue, Huawei Intelligent IP switches used innovative lossless algorithm to dynamically adjust traffic flow. This greatly reduces the packet loss and ensuring the consistent low latency. Comparing with the fiber channel network, it reduces average latency by 42%, achieving an end-to-end latency of less than 100 microseconds and 30% higher IOPS. This solution has been successfully deployed in several banking customers. Bank of China is one of them. Let's check with Bank of China what they think about this solution.
Good day. I'm Zhang Jidong from the Network Communication Team of the Information Technology Operations Center of Bank of China. My main job is to build and maintain the storage network of BOC's production center. I want to thank Huawei for giving me this opportunity to share our experience. In recent years, with the steady development of our business around the world, BOC has further improved our global service capabilities in nearly 60 countries and regions. As a Chinese-funded company that has been selected as a Fortune 500 company for many years in a row, and as the most globalized and comprehensive commercial bank in China, gaining an advantageous position in the increasingly fierce competition has become a major challenge. Under the new circumstances and trend, our strategic goal is to build BOC as the world's leading banking group, bringing motivation, agility, and breakthroughs to accelerate the high-quality development and digital transformation of BOC. Fintech empowers full digital transformation, causing a surge in data volume. Data centers as carriers of data are also facing high pressure. BOC has built multiple data centers across China. A large amount of data is exchanged within and between data centers at a high speed, which poses higher requirements and more challenges to our networks. Under the financial digitalization strategy, high availability storage networks are also facing grave challenges. The first challenge is bandwidth and performance expansion bottlenecks. With the rapid expansion of the x86 distributed system, a large number of servers are added and the production period is shortened. These require the storage networks to be strong in transmission bandwidth and scalability. To ensure secure and reliable data transmission, in the traditional storage network, the transmission bandwidth and total access amount of a single network are configured in advance. With the growing data volume, the growing number of servers, and the use of all-flash storage, the bandwidth of a single network will soon reach the bottleneck. In addition, the network is not scalable and may not adapt to the rapid growth in data volume and service requirements. Therefore, there are great challenges for traditional storage networks. BOC's intercity DR network carries real-time DR services for high DR level applications. The data volume is about 50% that of production system. The average daily traffic has increased from 500 TB in 2018 to over 900 TB. The second challenge is an O&M challenge. Compared with IP technology, FC technology is weak in its ecosystem, making it difficult to implement end-to-end visibility. In actual O&M, the larger a single network is, the more servers and storage equipment are connected to the network, and the more difficult it is to locate and analyze fault. Take slow-speed devices as an example, which are common in storage networks. If the fault cannot be located in time, the impact will be extended and may cause production problems. In addition, the networks are deficient in cloudification, openness, and automation. Most of them require third-party or homegrown tools, meaning hefty manpower and resource investment. The third challenge is cost. The mainstream 16G FC port has a lower rate than the 25G IP port, and with higher cost per bit. The cost per port is nearly 4 times, and the cost will be even higher in the case of 32G and 64G. The fast development and production of services will require more investment in storage networks. In addition, with the trend of trustworthiness and reliability, substituting traditional FC network has become an urgent task. The fourth one is stability and reliability. Digital transformation brings a surge in data volume, which raises higher requirements for stability and reliability. The active-active mechanism and synchronous replication further highlight the importance of short end-to-end network latency and pose higher requirements for network congestion management and quality perception. Reducing latency, improving network management capability, and network stability and reliability is another challenge. To address the pain points of our storage networks, BOC worked with Huawei to launch the industry's first NOF plus Rocket Sun, which realizes long-distance lossless transmission and supports the rapid development of BOC's service system with ultra-broadband lossless network. NOF plus Rocket Sun leverages Huawei AI chips and AI algorithms, and has reduced end-to-end latency to less than 50 microseconds, a reduction of nearly 30% compared with FC network. The access bandwidth is also increased from the mainstream 16G to 25G, greatly improving transmission performance. Compared with the traditional FC network, Rocket Sun is highly scalable and can adapt to the rapid and flexible expansion of the x86 distributed system. In addition, the interconnection bandwidth can reach 100G. Therefore, bandwidth is no longer a bottleneck. The NOF plus Rocket Sun solution improves the ultra-broadband lossless transmission distance and bandwidth between the data centers in the same city. The interconnection bandwidth ranges from 100G to 400G. Compared with the traditional FC network, the bandwidth is improved by over 300%. In addition, the number of switches and the number of P ports are greatly reduced, thus driving down capital investment and maintenance costs as well. Bank of China will continue to work with Huawei to research the application of new technologies in storage networks to build automated and intelligent networks that feature trustworthiness, high availability, high scalability, and high stability. We believe that storage networks have great potential in the future. Thank you.
To simplify management, Huawei believes that all flash data centers should have full lifecycle intelligent O&M capabilities. That is, automatic and intelligent capabilities are available in all phases of planning, deployment, O&M optimization. Huawei Data Management Engine, intelligent full lifecycle management platform, is the right solution. In planning phase, automatic load evaluation and SRA tiering are implemented to reduce time from the 3 months to 1 week. In construction phase, automatic provisioning, orchestration, and protection are implemented to reduce time from 6 hours to 5 minutes only. In O&M phase, automatic fault detection, analysis, and location are implemented to improve the online problem close rate by 60%. In optimized phase, resources are automatically predicted and changed based on intelligent algorithm instead of personal experience. This improves resource utilization to 80%. Finally, we talk about all-scenario data protection. Today, I would like to launch a new Huawei data protection solution named Ocean Protect. It includes disaster recovery solution and backup solution, providing a comprehensive solution that protects data throughout its life cycle. Let's check out a video.
The world is moving toward a digital economy, making data a fundamental strategic resource as well as a key production factor. Data protection and reliability are crucial to any organization looking to unlock the value of data. However, natural disasters, viruses, and attacks can result in unexpected data loss, making it urgent for organizations to find an effective data protection solution. In keeping with Huawei's continuous innovation, Ocean Protect provides all-scenario data protection. It implements full disaster recovery of hot data, quick backup and restore of warm data, and warm archiving of cold data throughout the entire data lifecycle. Core transaction systems in the financial industry host hot data of critical services. Full disaster recovery data protection ensures the continuity of critical financial services and data. The volume of carrier CDR data and service data is soaring. Fast backup of mass data implements end-to-end acceleration. Numerous medical images need to be archived for a long time. Warm archiving not only allows image data to be stored for a long time, it also allows you to use it anytime, helping you make the most of every second. Barriers of disaster recovery, backup, and archiving are broken down using unified data formats and protection policies, which help achieve optimal efficiency. Where there is data, there is Huawei Ocean Protect, all-scenario data protection. Huawei Ocean Protect is taking the lead in the next-generation data protection, helping to protect your assets and safeguard the intelligent world.
In disaster recovery scenario, we provide various features such as gateway-free active-active 3DC solutions, one-click DR drills, and failures. In backup scenario, we have Ocean Protect X series for fast backup, fast recovery, and efficient space reduction. This product series will be explained in details by my colleague in the next topic. Huawei Storage is highly recognized by the market. It has been listed as a leader by Gartner Report for the past 5 years. It is serving more than 12,000 customers around the world. By continuously innovation, we hope to help customers from all industries with their data center transformation journey. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Michael Fan. Ocean Store storage is used in various industries around the world, especially the financial industry. In addition to Ria Bank and Bank of China, I would like to invite a leading bank from the Philippines to share their thoughts on Huawei Ocean Store storage.
Hello, I'm Paul C. I'm the head of IT Infrastructure and Operations for BDO Unibank. BDO Unibank is the largest bank in the Philippines with over 1,500 branches and over 5,000 ATMs across the Philippines. We offer a full range of banking services here and internationally. As with most financial institutions, we are on our digital journey, where we are investing heavily to expand our digital offerings to provide better services to our clients. For example, we recently introduced BDO Pay, which is our digital wallet platform. The platform allows our users to pay directly from their BDO accounts to participating merchants. For IT infrastructure and operations, we are always looking for stability, capability, and performance as key factors in selecting our products. To support our digitalization initiatives, we invested in expanding our storage and network capabilities. We are currently using Huawei's Dorado storage as our main storage area network. Deploying this solution has given us the ability to build a storage cluster for all of our storage needs. The Huawei Dorado is used as our storage array for our virtual private cloud, our bare metal servers, and everything in between. This also allows real-time replication of our storage system between our data centers, providing us with better resilience and reliability for our applications. In addition to the storage area network, we're also using Huawei's Dorado for our file storage system. This has proven to provide good price-performance capabilities. As we continue in our digital journey, I look forward to Huawei's continuing innovation in storage and network arena, which will help us in our ongoing digital journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Paul C., for your wonderful sharing. Now, I would like to invite Amy Liang, Senior Expert of Data Storage Solutions Sales Department from Huawei Enterprise Business Group, to introduce the next topic. Ocean Protect Backup Storage never lets you wait. Welcome, Amy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Amy Liang. Today, it's my great honor to share with you of the next topic, Ocean Protect Backup Storage. Never let you wait. Now we all realize that the whole society is at the entrance of data blooming era. It's a time when massive data were generated each day. The Internet of Things and the development of AI in nearly all scenarios brings more workloads and fast-changing development models across the world. People are treating data as the new oil of the coming digital world, and accordingly, there is already a deep evolution happened in primary storage industry. It is fast changing from spindle disk to flash-based technology in the data blooming era. However, while the primary storage is already changing, the whole storage infrastructure, especially the protection technology, remains in an old-style D2D2T form for more than 15 years, which causes a bunch of issues. Increasing amount of important application data causes longer backup window, which is a big challenge for all organizations. When customer faces a system failure, it's more important for them to restore the data as fast as they can. But old-style technology causes long and non-predictable recovery time. The workloads are more and more important and running all day long. When the backup job fails during the processing, it might make you get up in the midnight to restart the job, or do it during working hours, which have negative performance impact to the production system. Now we need the resolution from D2D2T to F2F2X. F2F2X means flash to everything. The primary storage is already flash-based. It accelerates all the scenarios and workloads running in the data center. And the next should be the backup storage. For bigger data amount with the same backup window, we need to greatly improve the performance of backup storage. For shortened RTO and, in some cases, instance restore for data reuse, we need definitely improve the performance of recovery. As the industry develops, we need to think about how could the data be safely stored on the third side, like public cloud or a private cloud in the organization, or a disk-based system, tape and Blu-ray, and so on. Let's take a look at our customers. Many of them are facing at least one of the challenges below. First, the performance of both backup and recovery. According to a survey, 1/3 of enterprises now are unable to meet the backup window of mass data backup. Second, the gap between limited budget for data protection with a fast increase of backup data becomes more and more significant. Another survey shows the backup data growth is more than 50% per year, but the budget for data protection is only around 10% incremental every year. Third, as we discussed before, 1/3 of users are using backup copies for their new application or platform development. Thus, leads directly to the data repurposing. It needs a backup storage to be as fast as primary storage to offer high random IOPS rather than sequential wide bandwidths. So, in general, we need a new dedicated backup storage to meet those three major data protection challenges. We need ultimate performance for rapid backup and recovery, high data reduction capability for lower cost, and high random IOPS capability for better automate the backup storage for data repurposing. Thus, with the industry insight of F2F2X, Huawei gives a new choice to the large enterprise, redefines the dedicated backup storage as a flash-based system. It has 4 major advantages, which made OceanProtect the smartest choice for backup storage. Fast backup and rapid recovery speed. As an all-flash system, it's born to be the fastest, gives customer a predictable backup and recovery time window. Combined algorithms of inline variable length deduplication, compression, and compaction gives the system highest data reduction capability in the world. Thanks to Huawei's long-term investment in all-flash storage industry, we keep a bunch of important patents, which makes our system the most robust on Earth. We keep moving to adopt the new ecosystem, like container backup, big data backup, cloud backup, and can have a promised future to grow with our customers together. Let's take a look at how Huawei can achieve the best performance by end-to-end I/O performance optimization. Huawei defines a special front-end network card, which called Direct TCP/IP Offload Engine, in short DTOE, which can handle the I/O by the card and release partially of the controller's computing power. When the I/O goes into the controller, Huawei uses metadata reduction, I/O process optimization for multiple sequential data flow, which is most widely used in backup services, together with intelligent CPU partitioning and grouping algorithms to optimize the multi-core parallel I/O processing speed, which leads to a big bandwidth. After I/O is handled by the processor, Huawei uses full SSDs and full stripe write technique to ensure the performance. Thus, we have the world's leading maximum backup bandwidth of 155 TB per hour and maximum recovery bandwidth of 172 TB per hour. Compared to the current dominator in the world, we are 3 and 5 times faster than their solution separately. For the data reuse, Huawei OceanProtect X has more benefits. Together with mainstream backup software, Ocean Protect X has the ability to do instant restore with optimal IOPS capability for data utilization. The general principle of instant restore is the backup software directly mounts the backup copy to the target host for quick business service continuity or new applications development and test. Data is read from the backup copy and the written data is stored in the separate temporary space, so that the source backup data will be safely stored on the device without changing. There's strong demand from the customer to shorten the RTO and better utilize the data for R&D environment. Higher IOPS requirements becomes mandatory in these scenarios. Ocean Protect dedicated backup storage uses all-flash media, multi-controller working in active-active mode for load balancing, as well as intelligent prefetch technologies. The entire system provides up to 418,000 IOPS and supports instant access to data in backup images, achieving rapid utilization of backup data. Another pain point is how to use a limited budget to store the fast increasing backup data. Huawei Ocean Protect gives the answer by advanced data reduction capability. We can see here, Huawei combined several advanced technologies together to reach better reduction ratio and help the customer save more space. When the backup data stream comes into the system, it will firstly be separated as metadata and data. We call it backup metadata extraction. After that, the inline variable length deduplication started to deduct the duplicate data. Then, the deducted data will be compressed by different compression algorithms to get benefit for both the performance and effectiveness. The last step is to do a byte-level compaction before write data to disks. By using these multiple deduplication and compression and compaction technologies, we tested a 200 VIMs environment, full backup every day for 28 days, and assumes a daily change rate of 4%, new data generate rate of 0.125% daily. The system reaches up to 72:1 data reduction ratio, which is 20% better than the current leading product benchmark in the world. We all know that, unlike the primary storage, the backup data will be stored and kept for a long time without further access. So the data consistency check is very important in this scenario for reliable data lifecycle protection. When data corruption occurs, a file containing that data will produce unexpected results when accessed by the system or the related application. Results could range from a major loss of data to a system crash. There are some issues may cause silent data corruption, such like hardware problems, firmware faulty, software bugs and viruses, Trojans. Huawei uses a combination technology including data integrity field, in short, DIF verification, RAID stripe consistency check and matrix verification to form an end-to-end data reliability production function. It runs automatically and periodically at the backstage. When some corruption is detected, it will restore in the background immediately. Unlike other players in backup storage industry, Huawei sees the system continuity is very important both for the organization and the man who operates the daily backup job. So we first introduce multi-controller architecture in backup storage, working in active-active mode to gain both benefit from transparent controller failover and failback and load balancing. With our patented SSD wear levering and anti-wear levering and RAID-TP, we can easily avoid multiple disk failure in the big disk capacity era. So, no need to get up at night to restart the backup job. No need to take working hours for reduce the failed backup job and tolerate the performance impact. No need to worry. When the SSDs are reaching their end of lifespan, there could be multiple disk failure. Just leave all the problem to Huawei Ocean Protect, and you will get the most smooth backup recovery speed with highest system availability. Now, I'm very glad to launch our dedicated backup storage system, Ocean Protect X. We have two models facing middle to large enterprises and organizations. Ocean Protect X8000 and X9000, they all able to be scaled out to max 2 nodes. Each node contains 2 to 4 controllers separately. The maximum available capacity of those two models are 3.4 petabyte and 9.2 petabyte, while backup speed are up to 55 terabyte per hour and 155 terabyte per hour separately. X8000 has the recovery bandwidth of up to 57.6 terabyte per hour, and X9000 has the speed of 172.8 terabyte per hour, which gives the customer a fixed, predictable recovery time window so that the customer can do the disaster recovery drill with a clear plan. Also, never wait in front of the screen and pray for an unpredictable recovery job to be finished in a sudden. Now, let's take some time to enjoy a short video. Our Ocean Protect can be integrated with common used backup software like NetBackup, Commvault, Veeam, and others. It's very suitable for database, data warehouse, virtual machine, mail systems, file system backup. We support local backup and remote backup and restore as well. We are at the frontier of cloud era for container, cloud, big data backup. We will not stop searching for better solutions for our customers. In this fast-changing world, let's make backup job more easier to handle together.